Hi there, it's Maureen again, and I'm going to create a video tutorials how to use activities. No, I've created activities and how to use the resources available in the teacher's practice area. So we click on this. Oh, I'm sorry. So you go to the teacher's practice area. Okay, so I've chosen topic 28, and you're going to edit. First, turn the editing on in order to have the rights to edit. Then you choose one of the topics here. So I've chosen it creates the activities, so I've deleted it. And now I'm going to use the resources. Now you can see that you can add an activity or a resource. So all these are activities, and if you go down you can see the available resources here. So for example, in order to find information, just click on it and you'll read that it's a PDF version of the course, so the students can what can they do, possibility to open the course resource in a new browser tab, download the course resource on their computer, open the resource in one of the I'm not sure where is it, and start a note taking. So if you find all the information here, you just click add a book. So again, you read it, file, folder, a label, text and multimedia to be increased into the course page in between links to other resources and activities. So interesting. Okay, let's just try to add a link, for example, URL. We click on it and click add. Okay, let's just write something here. The name, I'll write just name, and let's see, for example, let it be some YouTube link here. Okay, just click on copy, go back, and you copy and paste here. And the description, you write something here, but it's not necessary. For example, click on this, you'll have some more details about what you can do with it, but I think that's it, what I'm going to do. And you save and display. You can see that one more resource is added. It's our link, the name of the link and the link. If you click, you can see that it's clickable and it goes to the page I've opened, for example. That's it. I hope it's been of help.